Today we are making quick and easy chicken shami kebabs, soft, flavorful, and ready in no time. Serve them as a snack, an appetizer, or even a meal with some fresh salad on the side, all made with simple, everyday ingredients. Please check the description box for full recipe details. We are making these delicious and easy chicken shami kebabs. In a chopper, add boiled chickpea lentils, boiled chicken, and a boiled potato. This helps bind everything together and keeps the kebabs soft inside. Next, add some sliced onions. If you prefer a richer taste, you can replace them with fried onions instead. Then go in for the fresh flavors of green chilies, a few mint leaves, and some fresh coriander. Now for that lovely aroma, add garam masala, salt to taste, crushed black pepper, cumin seeds, and a pinch of red chili flakes for a little heat. Once everything's in, chop well until the mixture comes together smoothly and evenly. You should see a nice soft texture, not too dry, not too sticky. If you find it a little sticky, you can just shape it and leave it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. This mixture is what makes the kebabs flavorful and juicy. And that's it. Our base is ready. Next, we'll shape them into patties and get ready to fry. After keeping the mixture in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes, it's time to shape the kebabs. This resting time helps the mixture firm up a little, making it easier to handle. Grease your palm with a little bit of oil. Take a small portion of the mixture, and if you want that perfect round shape, use a cookie cutter. It makes the kebabs look neat and clean. Once shaped, dip each kebab in the beaten egg. This helps seal in the flavor and gives that lovely golden crust when fried. Heat a little oil in a frying pan on medium flame, not too hot. Place the kebabs gently and shallow fry them on both sides until they turn golden brown. You'll notice the crispy outer layer forming while the inside stays soft, juicy, and full of flavor. Serve them warm with mint chutney or a simple salad, perfect for any time of the day. Just look at that, crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. Perfectly golden and full of flavor. Dip it in some mint chutney or your favorite sauce, absolutely delicious. Do give this recipe a try and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. Stay connected and see you in the next one.